Ako nga sumakay ko.
Hindi.
Sayang din yan pasalubong.
Actually water tank, so whenever it rains, the water will be filling in this tank. Then it will come down through the doors and through the channels all the way to the main channel, which is located down and complete all the way to the end of the city where the tanks are dipped. Yeah. Now we spoke about Dionysius, right? We're gonna see the cups of the Dionysius, the wine cups inside.
This is the Nemo rocks. As you can see, Nemo rock. Di ba? Tawag ni Nemo.
Nakanganga, singin Nemo.
Yan, no? Nemo. Si Nemo. Very nice place. Thanks God.
Okay, listen to me. Come this side. Line up, two lines. The front line from here.
Hello po, Sir Banji. Ang lalaki po ng batong ito. Hindi ko po kayang dalhin ito at mauwi. Paano ito? Hindi na ako makakapagdala ng bato nito kasi ang lalaki nito, hindi ko kaya. So, pasensya na, wala akong bato makuha nito. Huh? Grabe, lalaking bato. Thanks God.